Hello everyone, you are watching Military Plus. For nearly 50 years, innovation has been a part of the Boeing F-15 program's DNA. Today, the F-15EX, the latest variant of the undefeated fighter, is raising the bar once more, with the aircraft designed to evolve digitally and stay ahead of threats for decades. The F-15EX is a ready-now replacement for the F-15C that includes best-in-class payload, range and speed. Designed to deliver value to the U.S. Air Force, the F-15EX will be a backbone fighter for the service, not just today, but for the next several decades. Boeing engineers created hundreds of digital aircraft before cutting any metal, and flew thousands of hours before our first test flight. The result is an aircraft with a digital backbone, open system architecture and the capacity to carry hypersonic weapons, making it a key element of the U.S. Air Force's tactical fighter fleet. The complementary capabilities of the F-15EX enable a more balanced force structure that will remain of current and emerging threats for decades, thanks to next-generation technologies that improve survivability across a broad spectrum of environments. On the other hand, low-risk technology investments have improved the F-15EX's maneuverability, acceleration, durability, computing power, and weapons carriage to improve interoperability and strengthen deterrence. In fact, using virtual testing to develop and test fully digital models allows Boeing to integrate new components faster. After the initial learning curve, using this approach on the F-15EX nose barrel resulted in a nearly 70% reduction in touch labor in the workshop. Whatever new technologies the F-15EX might include, it's clear that these fighter jets won't just replace older F-15s. They'll provide the Air Force with significant new capabilities that will complement the entire fleet. Another important feature of designing, integrating, and testing in a digital environment is that concerns can be identified long before they appear in maintenance and operation environments, resulting in greater value throughout the product's life cycle. The new F-15EX have improved cockpit systems, a greater sensor suite, and data fusion capabilities, as well as the ability to carry up to 29,500 pounds of ordnance split between 12 air-to-air hardpoints and 15 air-to-ground hardpoints. Its new twin engines are not only more efficient, but also more powerful, making America's fastest fighter even faster. Although the F-15EX isn't particularly stealthy, it does have an electronic warfare suite that will help it survive in contested airspace. Its streamlined pilot interface incorporates some fifth-generation technology, allowing the pilot to focus more on the battle space rather than the gauge cluster. Not only does this improve pilot performance, but it also reduces fatigue during long missions.